Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your HSBC debit card limit in 2025. If you're looking to adjust your spending limits for better control, maybe for travel, online shopping, or just daily budgeting, this quick guide is perfect for you. It's a simple process, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you do it right. First off, why bother changing your limit? In 2025, with rising digital transactions, HSBC has made it easier to customize your debit card settings for security and convenience. Before we dive in, make sure you have the HSBC mobile app installed on your smartphone or access to the online banking portal. You'll also need your login credentials and possibly a verification method like a one-time PIN. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the HSBC app or log in to the HSBC website using your username and password. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and look for the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Step 2. Select your debit card from the list of accounts. This might show up as My Debit Card or something similar. Tap on it to view details. Step 3. Find the Limits and Controls option. In the 2025 update, HSBC has streamlined this, so it should be easy to spot. Look for settings related to transaction limits, like daily ATM withdrawals or point-of-sale purchases. Step 4. Choose the type of limit you want to change, such as daily spending or international transactions. Enter your new limit amounts carefully. Remember, higher limits mean more spending power but also more risk, so think it through. Step 5. Review your changes and confirm. You'll likely need to verify with a security code sent to your phone or email. Once approved, your new limits will be active almost immediately. And that's it, you've successfully updated your HSBC debit card limit for 2025. Always keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity, and if you run into issues, contact HSBC customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.